Welcome. In front of me is an LG F60, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to do it, we'll need to start off by opening up the settings app and then go all the way down into About Phone. From here, it's gonna be Software Info, and then start tapping 7 times on the build number. After a couple taps, you will see a little message that you are 4, 3, 2, 1, and you are now a developer. So once you see that message after 7th tap, you can go back, once more, and now you get an additional option that wasn't previously here called Developer Options. And from here you can tap on it. Let me show this again. Okay, and you get a bunch of developer options which you can play around with. If you're using this normally, probably the most interesting for a normal use would be the scale animations, durations, and stuff like that, which basically will shorten or extend the animations of window, how long it takes them to open or close. But you can also look for other things that might interest you from the vast list of settings here. So yeah, that's basically how you enable the developer options. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.